Cable curl. Performing on the machine, keep your form correct, but during this movement, your bicep peak become isolate very fast. Attach the straight bar handle to the cable machine and stand in front of the machine. Keeping your elbow close to the body, hold the handle with both hands and bringing it up toward your chest with control form. Hold for 1 second and while controlling the speed, move it downward and stretch the bicep muscle. Seated dumbbell hammer curl. The forearm muscles are engaged due to the hammer grip, suitable for seated position, reduce back strain. Hold the dumbbell in both hands with neutral grip and sit on the bench with back supported. Start this exercise by moving your hand forward, keeping the elbow close to the body, slowly bringing the dumbbell toward the shoulder with alternating hand or with both hands together and curl them, then squeeze the bicep muscle and bringing the dumbbell to the starting position with control speed. Barbell curl mainly focus on the bicep brachii. To increase the strength of the hand and increase the size of the entire bicep muscle, you must perform it. Use the state barbell or Olympic barbell. Selecting a lightweight plate, hold the barbell shoulder width apart and then bringing it up to the chest with control form. Hold it for 1 second, keeping the body stable, slowly bringing it to the starting position. Dumbbell spider curl. Without any cheating, this is one of the best exercise to isolate the bicep brachii muscle and to give a round shape to the peak of the bicep. Lean facing down on an inclined bench with the lightweight dumbbell in both hands. With your arms hanging straight down, bringing the dumbbell up toward your shoulder with control form and squeeze your bicep muscle and slowly bringing the dumbbell to the starting position. Reverse easy bar curl. Target the brachialis and brachiodialis, emphasize the forearm muscle. Stand holding the easy bar with the reverse grip hand closer than shoulder width. Using a light weight, slowly lift the easy bar upward, keeping your elbow close to the body and hold it for 1 second. Squeeze the forearms and bicep muscle, then bringing the bar back to the starting position while controlling the speed.